What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the new update to the client portal. That's right, they redid everything. It looks amazing. It's so easy to use and intuitive. Great job, high level. Let's jump inside. All right, so for those who didn't know, there is a complete client portal. This is great. You can have documents, you can have invoices, you can adjust your billing, you can find your courses, and so much more in here. And they just recently updated it. Now, if you're looking in your client portal, you'll go right here on the left side to memberships, and then it's your first tab right here, go to dashboards. Then you have to turn this on. Now, once you turn it on, you can turn it off, so don't worry about it. But if you come right here to try new portal, you'll see you can come and you can preview it, or you can copy the URL and preview it that way. Either way, and you'll be able to see what the new client portal looks like. It will set it up and everything. Here is the one that I set up already for my own course and everything. And you'll see now you've got communities here, your courses, as well as your pending invoices. Also, you'll see here down at your finances, you can now switch between your invoices and your contracts. And it's great because now if I wanted to go in, I can view it, I can pay it, I can download it. Download it, you can see the same thing here for your actual contracts. The other thing is really cool, you can now share files. So if I was with my clients, and I highly recommend agencies, especially a lot of businesses, if you're doing a lot of client interactions, beyond people that are just using this for courses, it will work really well for you. Because one of the things you can do is maybe you don't want them to know about communities or courses. You can turn that off, and then this makes a perfect hub for your clients because they wouldn't show any memberships here. They'd be able to see all their invoices, their contracts, as well as if you need any files for them, this makes a perfect hub where they could just come right here, click share file on the right-hand side, upload any stuff that you need, and now you're able to get it from within inside a high level, and it stops that one big problem with client handoff for a lot of time. I know when I have some clients, sometimes I'm pretty good about it and we stay on our people, but occasionally getting documents, getting different type of images and things like that, especially when we're doing funnels or build outs, there might be stuff that is a little hard to get from them. This makes it easy for them just to log in, upload it. You don't have to have a meeting, anything like that, and they can have access to everything. Now, the other thing that's really cool about this, you have your shared files, and then you have your affiliate here too, where you go in, you can see your different shared files, and they can be any type of file as well. And you'll just come here, you can click shared file, you'll drop it, you'll see pretty much everything fits in here. And then the other thing that's here that you could turn off or on depending on what you need is your affiliate dashboard. And you can see right here, I signed up and made sure I had one live. You can see your different sub-affiliates, your different leads, your commissions, your payouts, your media for that program, as well as the campaign. Here's your referral link, so it's easy to find, as well as you can come right here and actually customize your referral ID. So you'd have, like for me, I come right here and I can put the funnel doc on here. The funnel doc. And then that makes it super easy to be able to recognize who I am and easier to remember if you wanted to actually tell somebody, as well as you're able to see who it's referring rather than just a number. You can see everything related to that as well. And then you can also copy it here. You can then set your payment method and actually add your tax form if that's required. Now, the other thing that's not on here or not obvious is coming down the bottom. There's a lot of hidden features that you need to be aware of, so make sure you pay attention to this. Down at the bottom, you can click right here, you can go to profile settings. Now, once you click that, it's going to open up a whole nother row or menu within it that you're going to have all your information about your profile, your account itself, where you can reset your password, all your different social media, any badges or different certificates you got, you can find those here. And this one's really important. This is where you can manage your subscription. So if you have your clients and they're on some type of subscription model and they want to upgrade or downgrade or pause it or whatever, they can actually come here. They'll hit this. It will then send them a security code, just like most two-step authentication. They'll put that code in here, and then it opens up a whole security panel where they can change out their credit card. So if it expires, they can go in there and change it. They can pay different stuff in there. It's a great hub, but it's a payment-specific hub for that perfect person that's very secure. So that's something that's really important that your client should know, that, hey, if they need to update their card or if they need to do something that's specific to their subscription, they can come right here, go to their settings, log in, and do it no problem. The other thing, here's all your different chats as well as different blocked users can be tracked in here. And then this one's a big one. A lot of people don't know about this one. This is where you can turn on or off your different notifications for your communities or your client portal itself, where you might want just one or two of these to come in, or you might want them all. It depends on how active you want to be in your client portal. So then once you're done with that, you can just come back to the side right here, click your dashboard. You can also come into the right side. Here's where you'd have all your different chats. So you'd have your unread, you have all of them. And if you want to start a new chat, you click this button, and then you can see all the different people that you can start to chat with. As well as at the very top here, you're going to have your notifications. You can click this on to show unread only, so that way it doesn't get really cluttered or anything. And then if you have some that are marked as unread, you can click right here to mark all your messages as read. And that's pretty much the whole thing. The next thing would be going to your communities, where it's pretty obvious. You just come right here and then go into the different communities you have. But that's pretty much it. Courses, same thing. You can see those. You can see which ones you have. If you want to see more of them, you can go in and see all the different ones, as well as if you want to go in, actually continue learning in it. Lock that out. And then so then you can see all the different stuff in courses. And like I said, that's pretty much it for the new portal. I like it. It's very concise. It's easy to understand. Everything's front and center. Everything's clickable. So if I click one of these buttons, it's going to take me right there. It's all interactive. It's intuitive. The only thing that's a super tricky one is down at the bottom here that a lot of people don't know about is your settings, which I already went over. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next Funnel Doc out. Peace.